Okay, hello guys, Nepal, namaste. Welcome back again, and today I'm gonna try another Tibetan food, guys. So it's gonna be my first time to try this Tibetan dish out here by the name chicken tuk tuk tukpa, right? Chicken tukpa, chicken tukka, guys. It's gonna be my first time to try this. So it consists of chicken noodles. Like the chicken here is also kind of fried chicken here, you see, and soupy, like veg soupy, guys. So it's my first time in Nepal gonna taste the Tibetan dish. So let's have it. Chicken tukpa. Wait for some minute, guys. You see here the noodles is here, and veg soup. The veg soup has some onion, a lot of vegetables. Carrot is also there. Guys, the chicken is so nice, so tasty. It's like fried chicken here, and the soup is so good. The soup is so good and not that watery, little thick. It's little good, and yeah, it's just so nice, guys. It's so nice, and I feel like to finish this alone because I love it, guys. This is only 150 Nepali rupee, and it is worth the price, and the taste is just super. This is so healthy because I love consuming food like soupy food, guys. Yeah, it's so nice. And out of 10, I'll give it 8.5, guys, because there is so many other places I didn't try it. Maybe there is more better than this, but this is nice. It's worth the price also. Yeah.